Tutorial: Introduction to the Activity Wizard Variable Manager. Variable Manager allows authors to add dynamism to activities. Numbers, strings, and IP addresses may be assigned to a variable that is generated once or randomly each time the learner runs an activity. This allows the learner to gain more practice with a task that varies in its superficial features but is structurally the same. If more complex custom assessment is desired, please see the regular expressions and the API tutorials. In the following tutorials, we will demonstrate how to use the Variable Manager at a basic level. We will convert a simple static traceroute activity into a dynamic one that will have different instructions and answer network configurations each time. To begin using the Variable Manager features, launch the Activity Wizard. Click here to start using the Variable Manager. Then click on the Show Variable Manager Interface checkbox. A variable table will show up throughout the Activity Wizard. Variable names can always be typed in manually. The table makes it easier to insert them in instructions or the assessment tree. This ends the Introduction to the Activity Wizard Variable Manager tutorial.